Why does Claude keep ignoring my instructions? Which model should I use for building a web app? How do I get started with remote MCP? I'm Eleanor Berger. I help people and teams get great results from AI, whether that's production AI engineering or getting the most out of agentic tools like Copilot and Claude. You have brilliant ideas for things you can build, but configuration, setup, basic concepts, there's a lot to figure out before you can get to the fun part. So here's what we're going to do. Sunday school. Drop in, vibe on. A live session where you can bring your questions, watch some live demos, and see what's possible. No prep required, no homework, just show up, ask things, and maybe leave with some cool new ideas. Go to Agentic Ventures and sign up, join us live, or watch the recording anytime. It's completely free and it's going to be a lot of fun. I'll see you there. Do I even need MCP? What's actually the difference between skills and MCP? Is it like a sub-agent with a prompt with a CLI?